Hello everyone, and welcome to the second episode of the Gen X podcast series. And in this episode, we have with us Mr. Samruddh Oshri, who is currently serving as the treasurer of Rotaract Club of Patal Ganga. So, in this episode, he will be sharing with us his journey from being a founding member to becoming the treasurer of the Rotaract Club. Hello guys, my name is Tanmay, and you're watching Technospeak. So, let's get started with this episode. So, first of all, welcome Samruddh, and thank you for being here today.
Yeah, thank you, Tanmay. It's my pleasure to be here, and thank you for inviting me.
Yeah. So the first question is Samruddh, like looking towards the current situation, it's almost similar like the last year situation where everyone is tense and the situation also tense. So I want to ask you that what all things you tried in this lockdown and what all you experimented you try on yourself or what new things you learned during this period.
Yeah, so that's an amazing question, Tanmay. Actually, the thing is, I started all these new things during this 1 year span. It was a huge vacation for me, and during this vacation period, you can say that I've entered into new perspectives of different perspectives of industries. Like I started, for instance, I started a cooking channel, and I uploaded my first video. And for my first video, I got a pretty good response. But then, because of those pandemic situation and my poor editing skills, I was very skeptical in editing those videos. And so further on, I started enrolling in those programming courses in Udemy, in Turnchala, and Coursera, and all these platforms. So I approached programming there, and I learned new things about programming in like Python. Even Tanmay, you know that we both were working on Python, and
Yeah.
yeah, so Python was there, Python programming. Then second was Java, and there were many programs. We were very at start we were both curious about those things, but then we switched to Android applications where we enrolled some courses and we made some Android applications together. But after that, during those after that 6 month period, in the past 6 months, I've been very irritated and very bored in my home, and I was just like my whole idea of roaming outside, doing some trekkings, and watching movies with our friends. I was missing all those things. So after that, during those period, the new series was in trend, which was 1992 Scam by Harshad Mehta. So it inspired me a lot. Actually, you can say that the series was open in a negative character role, but for some people, it was a positive note on how to enter. It was a breaking point for many, students and many more people who are interested in share market, but were always afraid to enter. So it was the right time to enter for myself. So I started doing some research on share market and saw the ups and downs. And From that point, for about 3 to 4 months, I studied about share market, invested in some two three small stocks, and in fact, it gave me a good return. And after that, I started investing in cryptocurrencies. So that was also good. That's it. These are the new things I've tried and
Yep.
experimented on
Like,
myself.
yeah, so you did pretty much everything in this past 1 year. You tried everything a little bit. And the thing you told me about the share market, at one point I was also quite interested in doing that, but
Yeah,
unfortunately I couldn't. So yeah, it was a really great experience. Like you tried many different new things in this past 1 year. So yeah, so next question is about how you got into Rotaract or who motivated you to be a part of Rotaract and from where you came to know about this position or about this Protract Club in general?
Okay. So to be frank, my parents, both my parents, my mom and my dad, they both serve in Rotary. In fact, my dad is the current secretary of the Rotary Club Batanga, Rotary Club Batanga. Okay. So to those people who are new here, Rotary is a non-governmental organization. It's a social service organization which helps the needful people in the community and helps them by providing service and more or others those things. And Rotract is short term for Rotary in Action. We are the we can say as Rotract is the backbone or a supporting uh, organization in Rotary, which which focuses more on professional development and personal and social skills. So my both my parents were in Rotary. Therefore, during the last tenure, the my parent club, Rotary Club, was planning to create a Rotary club, and all those Rotarians were suggesting that uh, whom to make members as a founding. So many of them said that the the ward of the Rotarians, or the child of every Rotarian should at least take part in this club.
Mhm.
So that's how I was entered. I That was my opening gate to Rotaract.
Okay, so the whole Protract like culture is being passed away or passed from your family itself.
Yeah.
That's a great thing. And the next question is that how was your overall experience from being a founding member, and how was that experience of becoming a founding member, and what all the things in the initial stages?
Yeah, actually, to be frank, it was very amazing. The transformation from being the founding member and adding a term before your name. As you can see, it's RTR. So that stands for Rotractor. So it was very new for me at first, but then it was kind of a great moment for me because I was part of something new. I was part of something special, and that really motivated me. And that journey, you can say, as it was pretty amazing. From I was arranging these meetings. I was being part of. I was part of the board of directors, BODs, and there were some important decisions I have to take part in. So it was a very great experience for me at first.
Okay, you got to know all the people, all the new faces of the founding members, and you got to interact with some of the senior persons in the road track. So that was like a great initial experience.
Yeah,
Yeah. So the next thing is that in a road track club, how is the overall experience or how is the overall atmosphere there in the meetings or in general? How is the atmosphere?
yeah. To be frank, it's not like uh, there is some punishment if for not maintaining all those things. I mean, there is a person who takes care of meetings, who takes the minutes of the meetings, who is responsible for the maintenance and peacefulness in the meeting. But still, being in a student perspective, it is very great, because you are meeting with members, we are meeting with students, you're meeting with persons who are from different categories, different schools, different colleges, different branches of learning. I'm an engineer, my president is a lawyer. Okay, so all those things, there are new people in your vicinity. That is very great. So, and the overall experience in the club, the aura of the club, it's very great because we have different kinds of people, we have different members from various caste, religion, and those things very excite me a lot. So that's very great.
Okay, so the overall experience is very healthy there, and all kind of people are there. So like everything, like every field, every person from every field, you get to know and you get to interact with them. So that is the
Yeah.
whole atmosphere out there. Yeah, that's great. So the next question is that what are your roles and responsibility as a treasurer of your track?
Yeah. Um, okay. So treasurer is, president, secretary, treasurer. These are the core members of the club. So these are the technicals of the club that most of the only the club members and those persons know about. So the treasurer actually oversees all funds and maintains accurate financial records of the club and ensures transparency in functional operations, financial operations. So it also chairs the financial community, collect membership dues, creates all those receipts and all that. To be concise, it maintains the overall financial status of the club and has to be transparent.
Yeah, that's great answer.
Yeah, I mean, you can. He also has to prepare and administer the budget. He has to maintain the yearly budget and make accurate monthly reports and all those things.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So the next question is that before you become a treasurer, like what was your role at the initial level and what were the roles and responsibility in that
Okay. So previously, before I was treasurer, my roles were I was the club service director. So the profile of club service director is that he is the you can say he or she is the maintains good relations with the members of the club, uh, has some fun, uh, create some activities, arrange some trekking for the club members. So overall, you can say in a nutshell, he is the comedian or he's the good relationship maker, which ensures the relationship between the members. So that's the role of a club service director.
Okay, so in short, you can say that to maintain all the relations of the club,
Yeah,
that was
yeah,
responsibility.
yeah. Creates a good relation with the members, and apart from doing some service for the club, for you can say this is a part of Rotrack. So there are different Rotrack clubs in different cities, different areas, different vicinities. So maintaining relations with those clubs, arranging some meetings, some bulletin exchange. So that's the part of a CMD,
Okay,
CSD, Corporate Director.
okay. So the next question is that what kind of event does a Rotaract Club organize?
Okay. So Rotaract Club is mainly bifurcated into these four avenues. We say as PDD, CMD, CSD, and ISD. So PDD stands for Professional Development Director. 40% of the events we organize are in the avenue of PDD. So this is like grammar development skills, spoken English and debate competitions and all those things, which overall, creates a good experience in the members as well as students in a vicinity. Those are which are not in part of road track, but still we organize those kinds of events for them. So this is PDD. The second is almost 30% of our events are club service director under the avenue of club service director. As in I said, the maintaining and creating some trekking plans and some comedy shows and some fun games like carom or chess competitions between protractors or different members of the clubs, which is meant for only the entertainment purpose of and club bonding of the members. And about 20% of our events uh, are of community service, which we help the community, which we help our communities. Like in this during this COVID lockdown period, we donated hand sanitizers, face shield masks, some sanitary pads, and all those things to the essential and to the required to the persons who are needy. And we went to, yeah, nearest local villages and provided some help and all those things. And the last but not the least, 10% is international service director, which is simply put is creating international bonds with road track clubs in different countries. You know, there are about road track road track clubs in each and every country. So maintaining relations with the road track club of Nepal and all, China, then Sri Lanka, US, Germany, Netherlands, all those countries. So we create events with those things and create a good bonding with those people.
Okay, so it is kind of a whole mixture of different kinds of things related from the community service to entertaining purpose and making relationship with everyone at
Yeah,
that level. Yeah, it's a great initiative though. And next question is that if anyone wants to get into road track, not only the road track club of Patalganga, but anywhere around the world, so what is the main procedure or the starting step towards this procedure, towards getting into road track?
yeah. So basically, you can visit this website called Rotary.org. So here you can see different clubs, different clubs in your vicinity. Yeah, they have a map which shows what are the different road track clubs or Rotary clubs or even interact clubs in your locality. And you can just inquire and you can just sign up to their forum, and they will revert back to you. It's a very great initiative.
Okay, so that will be really helpful for those people who want to join, who want to contribute towards the community. The next question is about you. Like, what are the developments you saw in yourself before joining the road track and after joining? What were the main changes actually you saw in yourself or the development you saw in yourself?
Okay, so the main thing I can say about myself is actually I've not observed me in a very long time, because I didn't have the time to see what are the changes I am, what are my before and after. But I can say one thing that after joining Rotaract, the interpersonal skills, communication skills, and all those things, stage fright, you can say as the one factor that has
It's
changed
really
a
good.
lot in me. Yeah, stage fright has completely gone away.
Yeah.
There are few people, few road tractors in my club. They joined road track for this one and only reason is that stage fright, spoken English, grammatical skills, not even English, just grammatical skills of each and every language, Hindi, Sanskrit, and all those things. So it really helps a lot because you are bonding with new people which you don't know. If you are in a college, we see your friends every day. We speak with them informally. कैसा कैसा है रे तू आज क्या रे किधर गया था इधर गया था. So in Rotract, it is there, but you may maintain a formal relationship with everyone. So that helps a lot with you.
Yeah.
So that is a main change I can see in myself. And there are many other factors that has changed, like management skills and responsible person. Now I can say that I am a responsible person. Earlier, I would hesitate to say myself as a responsible. But now I can say I am responsible. I'm quite responsible for my position.
Okay, so that's a really great change. Yeah, just one last question. What are your future plans regarding road track and what is the next position you want to be in the couple of years?
Okay, so my future plans are actually currently I'm secretary elect of the club. that means after my treasurer responsibility is done for the year, I will be secretary of the club next year. And there are some few plans I've jotted down, and I've some created some events that I would like to perform during my tenure. Definitely, I'm going for presidentship. I will stand for presidentship for in the next tenure. I hope that I will serve as president. And if so, I've jotted down some plans, some new things that I have to try with Rotaract, and you know, create good aura in my vicinity, and create some and spread some love, and spread some names of Rotaract. You know, all those things.
So yeah, that's some great future thoughts and best of luck. And I hope you'll accomplish them. So Samrit, thank
Thank
you
you.
once again for being on this episode and giving your precious time.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Tanmay. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Yeah, my pleasure. And so that's it for this episode. And if you all like this episode, please hit the like button and do share this video with everyone so they can know about the importance of road track. And if anyone is interested in road track, you can gain more knowledge while watching this video. So, and last thing, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting podcasts. And that's it for now. Signing off. I'll meet you in next videos.